Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is about how to earn from YouTube without showing your face. If you are someone who is camera shy or uncomfortable with the idea of appearing on camera, then this video is for you. We will explore various ways in which you can create content and earn money from YouTube without showing your face. So, let's get started. 1. Screen recording videos. The first method is to create screen recording videos. This means that you can record your computer screen while doing something interesting or informative. For example, if you are good at graphic designing, you can create a tutorial on how to design a logo using software like Adobe Illustrator. You can also create how-to videos on various topics such as cooking, coding, or playing games. 2. Voiceover videos. The second method is to create voiceover videos. In this method, you can record your voice while explaining something. You can create educational videos, motivational videos, or even vlogs. You can share your knowledge or experience on a particular topic without showing your face. 3. Animated videos. The third method is to create animated videos. If you are good at animation or have basic knowledge of animation software, then you can create animated videos. These videos can be about anything, from product reviews to storytelling. You can create characters and animate them to explain a particular concept or idea. 4. Stock footage videos. The fourth method is to create stock footage videos. In this method, you can create videos using stock footage from various websites. You can compile the footage to create a story or convey a message. For example, if you are creating a video about traveling, you can use stock footage of various locations and compile them to create a travel video. 5. Text-based videos. The fifth method is to create text-based videos. In this method, you can create videos that are based on text or graphics. You can use software like Adobe After Effects to create text-based videos. These videos can be about anything, from product reviews to motivational videos. So, these were the 5 methods that you can use to earn money from YouTube without showing your face. You can choose the method that suits you the best and start creating content. Remember that consistency is key when it comes to YouTube. So, keep creating content and keep improving. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.